Hi guys, welcome to It's All About the Taste. Today I'm gonna be making some Mahi-Mahi tacos, one of my favorites. I've been wanting to post this video from a long time ago, but I haven't been lucky enough to find this fish in the market. But yesterday I was at Sam's with my daughter and I was so excited because finally I get to share this recipe with you guys. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you like my videos or recipes, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to leave any comments or suggestions down below. These are the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for the Mahi-Mahi tacos. First of all, we need 4 Mahi-Mahi fillets. Make sure that they are previously defrosted, 2 tomatoes, an avocado, 4 limes, your favorite mayonnaise, some freshly crushed red peppers, paprika, black peppercorns, onion, you can use the white one if you want, and some cabbage, some shredded cabbage. We're gonna be needing 2 of the chipotle chilies that we're gonna be mixing with the mayonnaise. I'll show you how. Some salt, olive oil, cilantro, and these approximately will you might have about 8 to 10 tacos, so I put 8 corn tortillas on the side. So the first thing I like to do is I add a bit of olive oil to both sides of the Mahi-Mahi fillets, like this. To the other side, and you do that evenly to both sides. Once you've done that, you add the salt, a bit of salt to both sides as well. Make sure your hands are clean before applying all these spices. Once you've done that, you do the, I like to do the crushed pepper. And I like to leave all these spices on the fish for approximately half an hour before I grill them. Okay, I just like all the ingredients, all the spices to penetrate into the fish very well before you start grilling. Okay. So basically what I do in the meantime while the fish fillets are marinating with all the spices, I like to grab a couple of the chipotle chilies and I like to shred them, cut them into small pieces. The smaller the better. Obviously you may add more of the chilies if you like it spicy. You may add a couple more. So all you have to do is cut it into small pieces and add it to the mayo, mix it very well. I just came up with this idea a long time ago, and ever since I make these Mahi tacos, I always do this little sauce on the side. You spread it to the tortillas. I'll be showing you in the next steps of how to put this on the tortilla. So basically that's all you do. You cut it into small pieces, the smaller the better. And I'll show you how to mix it right now. Guys, so the next step is we're gonna make the pico de gallo salad. The first thing I did, I shredded the cabbage, like you can see here. I actually teach you how to do this on previous videos, especially on the pozole ones. So this is how it has to look. They have this size, this texture. Anyway, so the second step, I like to cut into small pieces the tomatoes, and I'm gonna be showing you how to do that next. Warmed up the skillet. Make sure it's very hot before you place the fillets. Every time I grill something, I tend to use the iron skillet. It does very good job with grilling because it keeps a constant temperature throughout the skillet. Okay, so it's just a tip. So the first thing I like to do is I get each fillet. And you're gonna grill each side for about 3 to 4 minutes each side, okay? So I'm gonna show you how it looks after it's been cooked. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes, so it's time to flip them over, and this is how they have to look. Okay, so slowly you grab them with your tongue tool and you flip them. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do when I'm preparing my tacos, I like to spread the mayo with the chipotle sauce, just a thin layer like this. And once you have applied the mayonnaise, you can add the Mahi-Mahi. You add about 2 strips per taco, and then I like to add the pico de gallo salad like this. Just grab your taco. It's very simple. And I like to decorate it with some cilantro. It's very good too. And you may add a few slices of avocado too if you like, if you're an avocado fan like me. And then you just enjoy your taco. It's very easy. You can actually add more lemon if you want, or of your favorite hot sauce.